Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to remove the call from recent on the iPhone 15 and on any other iPhone too. To do it, you just need to open recent, and as you can see, we can't remove it. We don't see any button that can remove it. I'm using iPhone per 1 year, and I just now understand that to remove call from recent, we need to click edit, select, and click on the remove button and then trash bin button. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.